This is my Swisher 44-inch pull-behind trim mower, finish mower that I use on my food plots. Used it for several years. It does a good job. One issue I've always had is it cuts really close. Being a finish mower, it's not really made for food plots necessarily, made to cut grass. So at its highest setting from the factory, it would only do about maybe 3.5, 4 inches high. Food plots I wanted to mow higher. Been thinking about it for a while. So here's what I did. I cut, it has an adjustment bar here that you raise and lower the deck. But I cut that out. And of course that's just loose now, that'll come away. And what I did was drilled holes through the bar ends that were left and into the deck, and put a couple of 3/8 inch and a half bolts, washers, flat washers, and lock washers, and a nut. Tightened everything down. So when that went down, that way, of course that rotated the wheel down as well, and that elevated the deck up. So now instead of 3.5, 4 inches, I can mow 5.5, 6 inches. It's no longer adjustable, of course. But this is pretty much the ideal height for what I wanted to do for my food plots. Up here on the front end where I connect to the ATV. Of course we're using an offset hitch to come up and meet the desired height here. Keep everything pretty level. As you can see, pretty high off the ground right there. So like I said, about 5.5 to 6 inches high. Got new blades on it, got a new belt on it. Time to gas it up and see how it does.